Hello everyone, welcome to another wonderful tutorial on Citypreneurs TV. Today our tutorial will be on skincare, and I'll be taking us on how to make a 10 days whitening lotion with the following materials. Here we have a Miracle Spa whitening lotion. We have 72 hours double action. We have Nature White. We'll be using one of this, and then we have Magic White, we have Chemical, and then we have Miracle Them. We'll be using two of this, so and that's why I have two here. We have Snow White powder, which will be dissolving inside this rose water. Yeah, this is rose water. So we'll be using 2 teaspoons of Snow White powder. So let's begin. So in here we are going to use 2 teaspoons of Snow White powder. Yeah, so this rose water. We're going to so that's about 3 spoons. Okay, let me add just one more. Yeah, so we have 4 teaspoons of rose water in here. So as you can see, we're going to dissolve it. Still have some lumps here, so you're going to dissolve it till you no longer have any lumps in it. Okay, so we are good to go like this. Yeah, so this has been dissolved. So we are going to pour full cream. So yeah, not to waste our time. Yeah, we're done with this. So yeah, this is our 72 hours double action cream. Yeah, so yeah, we have our Nature White. Yeah, so We have magic white. Yeah, we have our chemical. Yeah. Okay. So that is a portion of chemical. Yeah, and also a miracle gem. So yeah, so not to waste our time, we're going to use all of this, and then of course, yes, the second one. Yeah, we are going to mix everything all together. Yeah, so now we are done with everything, so you just have to mix till you no longer have any lumps inside. So you just mix and mix and mix. So yeah, just mix. I still see some lumps in here. You see there are some lumps here, so just have to mix till you no longer have any lumps. Yeah, and then so yeah, that's all for today, and stay tuned to her TV. Yeah, Citipreneurs TV. Stay tuned to our channel. We promise to bring you more exciting tutorial videos, you know, how you can do it yourself. Yeah, so thank you for watching. We love you. Till next time, take care of you. Bye. We love you. Yeah, from myself and the whole team, we say we are